Assalamu alaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to make this Flange coupling in Solidworks software. So at first I'm taking the new file. Okay. Then I'm selecting the MMGS. Then I'm selecting the front plane. Revolve bulb is selected. Then taking the center line. Sketch it. Okay, then right button is clicked and select it. Then I'm going to taking the line command and sketch it. Go again here, from here, here and here. Finally join to this point. Right button select and select it. Then a smart dimension is selected. It will be 15 millimeters. And this portion it will be 20 millimeters, and this portion is also 20 millimeters. This portion is also 20 millimeters, and finally this part is also 20 millimeters. Okay, done. Then I'm going to the fillet and fillet it, whose radius is 10 millimeters. Exit it. Then the sketch is currently open. A non-thin revolution feature requires a closed sketch. Would you like the sketch to be automatically closed? Yes. Then okay. Then I am going to select the mirror. Go to here. Right plane is selected. Go to the bodies to mirror and merge it. Click on this surface and okay. Done. Then go to the extruded cut, click on this surface, go to here, select the normal plane, taking the circle and sketch it. Okay, sketch it. It will be 50 millimeters. Okay. Then I am taking this portion to this portion. Distance is 50 millimeters. Okay, done. Then go to here, select the circular sketch, click on this portion and I am taking it 12 number of circle. Okay, then exit it. Then I am selecting the through all. Okay. Done. Then I am going to select the materials.